So you've seen in the supermarket that lovely piece of salmon, and you're looking for some tasty ideas to cook for some food for your family this weekend. What a brilliant idea. Let's just type into here the word salmon, and we're going to see what we get offered with the salmon as an idea for some food today. Now, salmon is a lovely, tasty pink fish, so by nature of it, the colour has to have an appeal with us. And one of the great beauties of this is we can look and see the different options that we might have that might suit us. And look, we've got the servings information, we've got our cooking guides before you start and the ingredients, as well as instructions, etc. on each of these dishes. You've got salmon with roast vegetables. You've got an average time of less than an hour at 45 minutes to cook each of these dishes. And you've got all the instructions with them. So folks, if food is something that's on your mind today and you're wanting something really tasty with those roast vegetables, then why not check us out? You've got a how to use guide here and frequently asked questions, and you can find more about it through createmydish.com. Enjoy the weekend and that tasty bit of food.